Question 8. We have this bar graph that shows the number of books read by Class 6A from January to April. Part A. What was the percentage increase in the number of books from January to February? January is the original. So January will be 100%. And then there is an increase in February. We notice that the number of books were not given in this bar graph. Hence, we can just use units. For January, there will be 10 units. February, there will be 20 units. What is the increase from January to February? The increase is 10 units. The increase is 10 units. And what is the original? The original is the units in January. So the increase is 10 units over the original units in January, which is also 10 units, times 100. We can cancel off this. So we are left with 100%. So the increase is 100%. Part B, the average number of books read in a month from January to April was 75. From January to April, there are 4 months. So we can find the total units for these 4 months, which is 75 times 4. That gives us 30. So this is 30 units. The average is 75, and from January to April, there are 4 months. To find the total number of books, we take 75 times 4. That gives us 300 books. And the total units for these 4 months will be 10 units plus 20 plus 8 plus 22 units. The total will be 60 units. So these 60 units is equal to 30 books. 1 unit is 30 divided by 60, which is 5 books. In April, there are 22 units. That will be 1 unit is 5 times 22. That gives us 110 books in April. And that's the answer to part B.